In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror your iPhone directly onto your Mac, so you can see it, control it, and use it without even touching your phone. This is perfect for multitasking, replying to messages, or even recording tutorials. Let's jump right in. Before we start, there are a few quick requirements. Make sure your Mac is running macOS Tahoe or later, and your iPhone is updated to iOS 26 or newer. Also, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices. Keep them close to each other, and most importantly, make sure you're signed in with the same Apple ID on both your Mac and your iPhone. Once everything is ready, go to your Mac and open the Applications folder. Look for the app called iPhone Mirroring and open it. If you don't see it right away, press Command and Spacebar to open Spotlight, then search for iPhone Mirroring and launch it from there. The first time you open it, you may be asked to complete a quick setup. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After that, your iPhone screen will instantly appear on your Mac. Now here's the cool part. You can fully control your iPhone directly from your Mac. You can open apps, scroll, swipe, and navigate, just like you normally would. For example, if I open Settings, you can see I'm interacting with my iPhone in real time. To go back to the home screen, just click the bar at the bottom, just like on your iPhone. You can also move the window around, minimize it, or use the controls at the top to manage what's open. Overall, it's super smooth, super simple, and really powerful once you start using it. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.